When it comes to clever, practical storage options, the California has more than ever, meaning you can bring more with you. As well as the usual spacious California cupboards, the California Ocean also comes with a top storage cupboard in the roof at the back. Just use the latch to lower. And whilst there are the usual integrated roller blinds for privacy, the rear side window now comes with a clip-in blind that is also a compartmentalised bag, ideal for storing and organising small items such as clothing. And if you want to create even more storage for additional luggage such as surfboards, you can also remove the rear seats. First, pull one of the black tabs on the chair to fold it. Then, pull the red tab at the bottom of the chair to release it from the floor rails. Lean it forward and take it out. If you just remove the middle seat, the lower bed will still be supported when unfolded. But if it's just two of you camping and using the upper bed, to maximise your California storage potential, you can remove both seats if you wish. Welcome to the Volkswagen California. Enjoy your freedom.